everything you see here grew in 1 year. You know how many people are on the planet? 6 billion.
What? Billion.
So how many, you know, there's also 6 billion little microorganisms in my hand right now. And that's who's helping our tree out. So we're gonna go take this, and this is food for our tree.
Can I? All of us.
Go for it. Just be careful, don't spill it.
So I think it's really important to go to all sorts of communities and connect children with the earth, because unfortunately, especially in cities, we've really lost that connection in modern society, and providing it even for a day in the garden and showing kids that they can do stuff like this in addition to sitting in a classroom, I think is extremely valuable. Also, dirt is fun.
3, go.
Fish!
It's super exciting for the students because they have no idea that like an apple comes from a tree, and that there's a flower, and that there are different parts of the plants, and that there's a male reproductive organ called pollen, and it gets into the stigma of the flower and makes this bulb that grows into an apple. So it's super cool. It's something that we teach in science anyway, for them to just be hands-on and see it.
Part of our education feature that we like to do at the schools is grafting. A number of trees come and they're grafted from the nursery, so we like to explain what propagation is, the difference between grafting and how seedlings also emerge. For instance, we have our parents that we're sort of a seedling from our parents, and so we have our father and mother, and we don't know which feature or which trait is really going to be dominant. But when you graft, you know what the mother plant is, and you're going to be able to propagate and have that fruit and be specific. And so we like to also show them that from cuttings of figs in particular, you can just root those right in the ground and they take off. So we like to really show how easy it is for Mother Nature or for the earth to sort of keep regenerating fruit and creating more and more abundance for everyone to share.